This video is dedicated to understanding the binary bonus and how this unique bonus gives you the opportunity to earn on bonus volume in your binary organization. Remember that your binary tree represents a separate organization from your enrollment tree. In the binary tree, each brand partner has a maximum of 2 positions directly under each account, one on the left and one on the right. Your binary organization will include everyone from your enrollment tree, but will also include individuals enrolled by brand partners above you in the binary tree. Within the binary tree, it is important to understand how each of the 2 binary legs are classified. Each week, one leg of the binary tree is considered the pay leg and the other the power leg. The pay leg is whichever leg has less bonus volume in the commission week, while the power leg is the leg with more bonus volume. Keep in mind that this classification of pay and power leg can change week to week depending on changes in the bonus volume in each of those binary legs. To be eligible for earning a binary bonus, a brand partner must meet 2 requirements. First, the brand partner must have a paid rank of 3-star manager or higher in the commission week. Second, the brand partner must have a minimum of 300 bonus volume in the pay leg of the binary tree. Once these 2 eligibility requirements are met, you will earn a binary bonus in that commission week. The binary bonus earnings rate is determined by your paid rank each week. As a 3-star manager, you will earn 5% on the bonus volume in your pay leg. A 1-star director earns 7%, and a 2-star director earns 9%. At a 3-star director and higher, you maximize your earnings rate at 10%. In addition to the earnings rate being determined by paid rank, this also dictates the weekly binary bonus maximum earnings amount. This means that regardless of the volume in the pay leg, each paid rank will have a maximum amount allowed to be paid in binary bonus. The weekly maximum increases at each paid rank up to 2-star presidential, where it peaks at $25,000. Let's go through an example. Your paid rank this week is 2-star director, and you have 10,000 in BV on the left side of your binary and 15,000 in BV on the right side of your binary. This means that your left leg is your pay leg, since it contains less BV than your right leg. As a 2-star director, your binary bonus earning rate is 9%. This means that you are eligible to earn 9% on the 10,000 BV in your pay leg, or $900. Since this is under the maximum weekly binary earnings amount, the full $900 is awarded. However, let's say there is more volume in the binary structure in the commission week. A paid rank of 2-star director with 40,000 BV in the pay leg will result in eligible binary bonus earnings of $3,600. However, the weekly max binary bonus earnings amount for 2-star director is $3,500. This means that the potential $3,600 will be reduced to the maximum amount allowed at the paid rank, and $3,500 will be paid. It is important to understand that when the binary bonus is paid, the volume in the pay leg will be completely consumed and no volume rolls forward in that leg to the following week. The power leg volume will also be reduced by the amount of volume removed from the pay leg. Any remaining volume above this amount will carry forward to the following week in that leg. In our example, 40,000 BV in the pay leg will be fully consumed, and the pay leg will move forward to the next week with 0 BV. The volume in the power leg was 42,000. Removing the 40,000 that was in the pay leg will leave 2,000 BV in the right leg to carry forward to the next commission week. A few important things to keep in mind with binary volume. Older binary volume is consumed and paid before newer binary volume. Any unused volume that isn't consumed with the weekly binary bonus will be stored as carryover volume and can be utilized in later commission weeks. Volume in the power leg will carry forward for a maximum of 52 weeks before it expires. Volume in the pay leg will carry forward for a maximum of 24 weeks before it expires. And if a brand partner goes inactive in any commission week, their volume in both binary legs will be automatically flushed. Equipped with your knowledge of the binary bonus opportunity, you are well on your way to maximizing your earning potential on your full organization. For further details on the bonuses available to you for earning on your enrollment organization, see the level earnings and mentor matching bonus videos